welcome back to a friends, guys. So today we are going to be learning how to make owo soup. Now this soup is a popular local soup that is being prepared by the Deltas and the Edo people in Nigeria. Now I really don't know if any other states actually eats the soup, but all I know is that Delta State and Edo State people eat it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how the Edo people make their own owo soup. Now it's very different from the Delta people, but today we're going to actually be learning how to make it the Edo style. So this particular soup is a very unique and simple soup, to be honest. Take it from me. You can actually make it under 30 to I don't know, not even up to an hour. So this isn't a soup that takes you the whole day to prepare. It is super easy and just straight to the point. This local soup, which is called owo soup, can be used to eat plantains, yam, rice. Some people actually said they've used it to eat rice, but I have never used it to eat rice. So you can use it to eat plantain, yam, rice, who knows, whatever you really feel like using it to eat. Let me not restrict it, okay? So guys, make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, drop a comment below. You guys know I love seeing your comment. Do not forget to share. Please get this baby girl to 1,000 subscribers. That's literally the goal, and we will not get there if you do not bring your friends and your family to this page. And also do not forget to turn on your post notification. I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around from the beginning till the end. Now I'm sorry I did not give a post notification for my last video, which was a vlog. If you haven't checked it out, please make sure you check it out after this video. So I am sorry, but for this video I'm going to be combining the post notifications from my last video, my last two videos, the DIY video, the vlog video. I'm going to be combining the post notifications together, so make sure you stick around. Do not skip this video. So make sure you stick around from the beginning to the end, and I know everybody is going to enjoy this video if you are a foodie like me, okay? So let's get what? Let us get cooking.
Over here, guys, we have our tomatoes, our pepper, our onions, our ice fish, crayfish, IYENITAN. I love those big crayfish, gosh. And then we have our goat meat. We do not have our secret ingredient over here, but you guys are going to see it soon. So right now we are going to be blending our tomatoes, onions, crayfish, and pepper. We're going to be blending all that together. We're not going to blend the IYENITAN though. Those are like the big crayfish here, so we're not going to blend it. Guys, our goat meat is on the fire, and I'm going to be seasoning it with Maggi and a little of salt because there's salt in what we're going to be using today. Now I'm putting our smoked fish, our fresh fish inside of it. You know, I just want everything to steam, and I'm putting our IYENITAN. Now I normally use eberaye, which is dry fish, but yeah, I do not have any, so that's why I'm using what I have, you know. After that, I am going to be putting our mixture, our tomato and pepper paste inside of it so that it can all boil. And yeah, I'm just going to stir it a little bit so that it can get into everything. Now it's time for our secret ingredient. So this is actually our secret ingredient today, guys. This is called potash, but Benin people call it ikang. This is what is going to make our sauce or our mixture or whatever is going on turn into owo soup. And I think some are actually powdery, but the one I had at home, which was sent to me from Benin by my auntie Osariwe, is actually crystalline, as you have seen. So I have already put it into my pot and I'm just going to stir it a little bit, and you'll notice that it will start changing the color of our soup. So then we're just going to leave it to boil, and we are going to put our plantains or yam or rice or whatever we want to use it to eat on the fire so that they can all boil together.
These beats are on fire.
Yes, so our owo soup is already getting ready. So guys, I actually decided to add a little dry pepper, which is totally optional. In case if you do not like pepper, you can omit it. So guys, after adding my dry pepper, another trick of cooking owo soup is that you leave it to cool down. Like after everything has boiled and you think all your ingredients have already mixed together, you leave it to cool down for like 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, I allowed mine to cool down, and I have a palm oil with me. I'm just going to be adding it to a little side of my mixture to show you how it looks like. So I'm going to be adding it to a little side of my soup, and I'm going to be stirring it continuously. As you can see, the color is changing. Like color is lighter than the remaining sides that I have not added the palm oil inside, and for some reason it's actually busting my brain.
Sunshine.
Is ready. So guys, our boiled plantain and owo soup is ready with all the orishi sitting well, looking nice. I can't wait to taste it at the end of this video.
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, because I obviously did making it. I can't wait to taste it. I always feed you guys anytime I make videos like this. Yeah, I always feed you guys, but for this particular video, I am going to eat it too. I'm also going to eat from it. You guys cannot just be the only people that will be eating from it, So anyway, as I promised, I'm going to be giving a lot of post notification shoutouts. First of all, I'd like to dedicate this video to my uncle Onaivi. He was the one who gave me this idea to prepare owo soup. He said he doesn't know how to prepare owo soup, and since I kind of cook in my YouTube videos, he said he wanted owo soup videos. So here he has it. Okonabi, this video is for you. First of all, I'm going to give in a post notification shout out to Praise Obaje. Thank you so much, my baby bro, for always sharing my posts, being so supportive. You're such an amazing person. Mwah. Second person is Safia Abdusalam. Thank you so much, baby girl, for always showing my YouTube channel so much love. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for also sharing on your status. You're such an amazing person. The third person I'm going to be giving a shout out to is Adamu David Mark. Can you hear that? There's respect in that name. Thank you for being the first person to comment on my last YouTube video. You're such an amazing person. Thank you for your support. I love you. Mwah. Fourth person is Etorobong Ekong. Seriously, you are such an amazing person, sis. You are so supportive towards my YouTube channel. I see what you do. I see the fact that you're always liking, you're always commenting, even though you're in school and there's no network over there, but you still always watch my YouTube videos. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. Okay, I don't even know how many people I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 5th person that is getting a post notification shout out is Epic Jamal. See, I don't even know how to even explain how this boy has been so supportive. Gosh, thank you so much for always sharing on your status. Thank you so much for always liking, always dropping a comment. Thank you. It actually means a lot to me. I love you. The 6th person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Naomi. Thank you so much, Mimi. Thank you so much for dropping a comment on my last video, for liking, for sharing on your status. It means so much to me. Thank you so much, baby girl. I love you. Okay, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, so the 7th person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is my baby girl Patience Bala. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for liking. Oh my god, I think my camera is going down. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for always sharing all your status. It really means a lot to me. Why am I even forgetting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? And the last but not the least, the last but the best person, this post notification shout out goes to my lovely and beautiful auntie Eyis Iyami. I love you so much, ma. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for always liking. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for always liking. Thank you so much for always commenting. It means a lot to me, ma. Thank you. I love you so much. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to give this video a like. Do not forget to drop a comment. Do not forget to share on your status. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not. Actually means a lot to me. Please get this baby girl and this channel that you love so much to 1,000 subscribers. That's literally the goal for now. And last but not least, don't forget to turn on your post notification. As you have seen, I always give post notification shout outs on my page. Even if I forget, I will find a way to add you guys there. So, oh my god, I'm sorry. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Do not forget to follow me at Queen Faith Official on Instagram. Do not forget to follow my graphic designing business. Do not forget to follow and patronize my graphic designing business on Instagram at OG Obas Designs. And do not forget to follow the main account for Faith Effects on Instagram at Faith_Effects. I love you guys so much, you know it, and I'll see you guys next week on another lit video. Do not forget to share this video, please. I love you guys. Bye guys. Do not also forget to recap. Should I end this video or should I just continue? Okay, let me continue. Okay.